Welcome to our channel. The Can't Play This Right Now. Error on Spotify is frustrating but usually fixable with troubleshooting. Follow these steps to resolve playback issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection by trying to load a website or another app. Spotify requires a stable connection for streaming music. Step 2. Close the Spotify app completely and reopen it. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps. On desktop, quit the application entirely. Step 3. Log out of your Spotify account and log back in. This refreshes your authentication and can resolve temporary playback restrictions. Step 4. Check if the song or album is available in your region. Some content has geographic restrictions that prevent playback in certain countries. Step 5. Clear the Spotify app cache. On mobile, go to Settings, Storage, Clear Cache. On desktop, go to Settings, Show Advanced Settings, Offline Storage. Step 6. Ensure you're not playing on too many devices simultaneously. Spotify Premium allows streaming on one device at a time per account. Step 7. Update the Spotify app to the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause playback errors and compatibility issues. Step 8. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall Spotify. This gives you a fresh installation and often resolves stubborn technical problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.